Hey everybody! Okay, so I'm here to reveal which dessert we are going to make together. So I only got a few votes, and I had one vote for vanilla cake, one vote for chocolate pudding pie, and 2 votes for, do you remember what the last one was? Chocolate chip cookies. So which number is bigger? 1 or 2? Which one's bigger? 2, right? 2. It's more than 1, right? I have more fingers up. So the winner is chocolate chip cookies. So that's what we're going to make. That's what we're going to make together in one of my next videos. So this is what you're going to need. I will also put the recipe down in the description as well. Okay, so I'm gonna open my fridge because we're gonna need a stick of butter. Okay, you're gonna need a stick of butter. You're gonna need some sugar. Okay, you are going to need some brown sugar. Yes, guys, they make white sugar and brown sugar. So you're gonna need brown sugar too. Lots of sugar. Then you're gonna need another thing out of my fridge. Eggs. But you only need 1. Okay? 1 egg. Next, you're gonna need some flour. Oop. Miss Becca's gonna have to get some flour. You're gonna need flour, okay? And you're gonna need salt. Gonna need some salt. Gonna need some baking soda. Okay? And last thing, the best part about the chocolate chip cookies is chocolate chips. You need some chocolate chips, extra chocolate chips. Okay? And sorry, that's not the last thing. One more thing is, this is fancy. Vanilla. You're gonna need some vanilla. It's a liquid. Okay? Gonna need vanilla. Okay, so some vanilla. And that's it. Oh, and a bowl. And these again. Measuring cups. Yep. And you're gonna need an oven and a cookie sheet. Okay? So we can put our cookies on it to cook in the oven. Alright? And that's it. That's all you're gonna need. So, be patient, and I will post making the cookies in one of my next few videos. I will be making them. Alright, I can't wait to bake with you guys. It's gonna be so much fun, and in the end, it's gonna be so yummy. And we get to eat some chocolate chip cookies. Alright, so thank you so much for voting, and until next time, guys, I will see you soon. Bye!